Do children's advocacy centers work with law enforcement? Have you ever wondered how communities protect children from abuse? One key player in this effort is the Children's Advocacy Center. So, do these centers work with law enforcement? The answer is yes, and their collaboration is essential in handling cases of child abuse, especially child sexual abuse. Children's advocacy centers bring together various professionals to create a supportive environment for young victims. This includes law enforcement, child protective services, medical experts, mental health providers, and victim advocates. By working together, they aim to coordinate investigations and support services while minimizing trauma for the child. One of the main ways children's advocacy centers collaborate with law enforcement is through joint investigations. In communities with these centers, law enforcement is involved in a much higher percentage of cases. For instance, studies show that in children's advocacy center communities, law enforcement investigates 71% of cases. In contrast, only 33% of cases are investigated in communities without these centers. Another important aspect is the formation of multidisciplinary teams. Law enforcement officers are key members of these teams, which work together on case planning, forensic interviews, and case reviews. This teamwork helps reduce the number of times a child has to recount their experience, which can be very traumatic. Children's advocacy centers also provide specialized facilities for forensic interviews. These interviews are designed to be child-friendly, and law enforcement is often present. Data indicates that police participate in 55% of these interviews, compared to 43% in non-children's advocacy center cases. The collaboration between children's advocacy centers and law enforcement leads to improved coordination and outcomes. This means better evidence collection and case management, which ultimately supports victims and their families more effectively. However, there can be challenges in this collaboration. Law enforcement officers may encounter obstacles such as differences in organizational culture or limited support for their roles within multidisciplinary teams. Fortunately, ongoing training and structured protocols within children's advocacy centers help address these challenges. In summary, children's advocacy centers serve as a vital hub where law enforcement works closely with other professionals to conduct joint investigations, provide forensic interviews, and support victims. This collaboration is essential for effective criminal investigations and victim support in cases of child abuse.